Hello, hello, hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Okay, I want to show you how to make a sugar substitute graham cracker sweet potato pie. We're going to be making this with a sugar substitute. For all those who are diabetic out there, this is for you. Okay, and anyone that is on a low sugar diet. Alright, let's do it. And the graham cracker crust is another good additive because it is also made with part wheat. Alright, thumbs up, share the video, let's do it, subscribe. Okay, so to start with, I baked two, you can see very large, so this would really be equal to 2 large sweet potatoes. So I baked them in the oven on 350 until they were very soft. When you wash them, you're going to rub them with olive oil on all sides and then bake them in the oven. And that will make the potatoes on the outside, the skin is nice and soft, and you want to make sure that it's completely done. So now we're just going to peel the skin off. Comes right off when you rub it with olive oil. Okay, and now I'm going to put it in the Ninja. I'll do the other one. Ah, fell everywhere. You can see it's tender. Okay, now that I got all the peeling off, okay, now we want to add, I have a half a cup, I'm using Nature Blue, which is a sugar substitute, okay, I'm using a half a cup. They come in packages, I emptied the packages out into this half cup measure, and that's what we're going to be adding, a half a cup of Nature Blue sugar substitute, or any sugar substitute that you have. Okay. Now I'm going to add some vanilla. 1, 2, 3. 3 teaspoons of vanilla, which equals 1 tablespoon. Cinnamon, the choice is yours, how much you want to put in for any seasonings. Okay, I want to say I used about 3 tablespoons of cinnamon. Okay, now I have some butter. I'm going to use a half a stick of butter. I've had the butter sitting out for about 2 hours. Half a stick of butter. And then I'm going to be using some heavy cream. 1, 2, 3, 4. About 4 to 5 tablespoons of heavy cream. Okay, so now I'm going to put the top on. I'm going to hit mix. The Ninja is loud, so be prepared, alright? Now I'm going to add some cornstarch to thicken it. One heaping. Two heapings. Tablespoons of cornstarch. 2 heaping tablespoons of cornstarch. I want to scrape the sides down. And one last mix. Okay, that'll do it. This is the graham cracker crust. Okay, it looks like I can make 2 pies. So I have another graham cracker crust here. So I'm going to open that up. To open it, you just bend the metal back, the aluminum back. Take this insert out, it's plastic, and push the aluminum back down all the way around. Okay, now we're going to fill this one. And I'm just kind of spreading it around so it's evenly distributed. Okay. So here's one pie and the second pie. Okay, I'm going to put these in the oven on 350 degrees and I'll be back to give you the word of the day.